Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Hey guys, 60BaeGrey, the real jump, no game, hey man, we outside, hey. 60BaeGrey, the real jump. Hey, hey, look, it's kind of dark outside. It's kind of, I don't know, man. The sun's not out yet. It's a little overcast. Think it's gonna rain, but we outside, player. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real Jip. Hey, do me a favor. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and comment, like, subscribe, and share. But look, we outside, and actually, I'm going to this every Sunday. We have this car show, and we're gonna show off the drift. Let's show the drift off, no cap. Okay, so we get ready to pull up. It's my first time going. So we're going to catch a vibe. We're going to see what other people on. And let me see if I can do this. And let's see if you can see. All right. Okay. There we go. Without the corner there. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pull in and we're going to see what we see. See if how many cars we're going to look at. Or it's going to be out here this morning. CORVETTES here, no cap. So I'm gonna be back in YouTube minute. We go see what's up and make sure they don't mind being on camera, because you know sometimes people be tripping, tripping. But we trying to be real drippy out here, no cap. Let me flex something a little bit. Let me drop the top. Let me make the top open. Yeah, man, see the top opening up. We're gonna stop about right there and pop the hood. Okay. One more time for us, player. Okay. Hey, let me get a walk around. This my sexy baby right here, no cap. This my baby right here. Say hi to YouTube, player. Hey, what's up? All right, player. This is a nice ride, boy. Oh, look at the back. I'm glad you came out today, man. You come out here on a regular?
Yeah, pretty much. But
okay. Hey, it's 60BaeGrey, the real Jeff. No cap, trying to tell y'all, hey man, we outside. I already told you what's going on. But look, I got my selfie stick today. I'm not filming with my hands here. My fingers won't be in the camera. Hey, comment, like, subscribe, and share. If the post notification white, that ain't right. The post notification black supposed to be like that. No cap. Hey, look, black bells matter. No cap. Hey, we outside. We over here. We still outside. We still looking at here the car show. But guess what? I got something that you guys been looking for. Hey, look, I just met somebody out here. My new friend Dave. Go ahead, Dave. What's up, man? Hey, look, Dave. Dave, guess what? Dave, he is a Corvette owner and he's a Camaro owner. What's going on, player?
Both.
Hey, what's happening, boy?
We good.
Hey, you hanging out with 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, look. I'm about to put the camera on you, man, and you know the reason why I got him on camera because I said, man, you know anything about Camaro? He said, do I? Listen, man, you talking to the right guy? I said, okay, listen, I need to do a video with you. He said, okay. I said, okay, fine, no cap. Let's pull out the camera. We lit right now, so we gonna go ahead and ask him a few questions. So I'm my man Dave. So Dave, tell us about your Camaro life, man. You got a Camaro, right?
Yes, definitely. What I have is fifth gen. Fifth gen was 2010 to 2015. That's the years for the fifth gen. Like I said, I have a 2010 6-speed LS3, and it's a fun car to me.
Okay.
Fun car.
You got a Corvette too, don't you?
Yeah, definitely. Yep, got a 67.
Okay, you got the Corvette too.
Yep.
Hey, so he's lit. So look, tell us something about the Corvette that we don't know. I have one of my subscribers. Her name is Happy. All right, she wants to know. Happy wants to know how she can be happy with a Camaro. So let's go ahead and tell us.
Oh, being happy with a Camaro is easy.
Okay.
Depending on the kind of person you are. Stick person, automatic. I'm a stick person personally. I do it all day, every day. So stick car don't matter to me.
Okay. Would you recommend buying a Camaro?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Whether it's 5th gen or 6th gen.
Okay.
6th gen stepped it up a whole lot. I mean, those cars are moving.
All right.
But, right now they're limited because it's fairly new.
Okay.
But man, you can't go wrong with a Camaro right now.
Okay. All right. Well, is it anything about a Camaro that you can tell us that for someone who never owned a Camaro? Can you tell us something about it?
Oh man. Plenty of fun. That's all. I mean, it's reliable. Let's see. My car has about 120,000 in.
Okay.
I've seen guys with way more miles than that and still riding.
Okay.
No major problems.
Why would you recommend a Corvette versus something like this?
Let's see.
Or would you recommend a Camaro versus something like that?
That's a total different beast there.
Okay.
I say that's a total different beast. I mean, that car can go fast, but the Camaro's a little lighter, so
okay.
Depend on your taste.
Okay.
I'll put it like that.
But now Camaros are very expensive now. So I don't know. Do they make them a 6-cylinder now, or just 8? Or
yeah, they're It's weird. When the 6th gen first came out, they were 4 cylinders with turbos.
Okay.
Eco boost, whatever you want to call that.
All right, let's walk and talk.
Yep. 6-cylinder. Then you got 8 cylinders.
Okay.
So you're talking SS with a V8, and then you're talking about ZL1 with the supercharger on it.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
That's ZL1 right there.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Okay.
Another day.
What's going on, man?
All right, how's it going?
All right.
Okay.
Everything all right?
We just talking about the Camaros now, boy.
Yep. Doing the video with him. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my buddy there. He's in the club with me.
Okay.
Yep. He actually he bought his car, flew out and drove it home.
Okay.
So he drove his car.
Wow. All right. So finish telling us.
But yeah, man, they're sweet cars. I mean, I like them.
Cool.
And I'm just GM in the heart.
So is the Camaros is it a racing car?
Oh yeah, definitely be a race car.
Okay.
Camaro definitely be a race car. Camaro could be a show car.
Okay.
It could be a drift car. It could be a road course car.
Mm-hmm.
Which is basically mainly what the ZL1s made for.
Now, what cars is you standing in front of?
This is C7 Corvette, 2015, first year of the 8-speed.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between the Corvette and the Camaro?
Man, it's a total different beast. Lighter.
Okay. The Camaro's lighter?
No, the Vette is lighter.
Okay.
Yep. The cockpit is a little bit smaller.
Okay.
I like them both.
Okay. Which one's faster?
This one is.
Okay.
The Vette is.
Okay.
Because for the fact that it's lighter and it's a little bit more horsepower.
Okay. Awesome.
Yep.
So now, what about the gas mileage on the Camaro versus the Vette?
Oh man, the gas mileage is through the roof.
Okay.
Compared to the Camaro. Like I say, it's automatic, and let's see, I recently drove it out of town on the road.
Let's do a quick walk around. So walk back.
And it was showing 38 miles to the gallon. Which I couldn't believe. That's going on the highway with cruise control.
Right. Cool. Awesome. So, what you want to tell the subscribers before we end the video about the Camaro? Trying to get in my video. What's up, man?
We get them all.
He video bombed me.
We get
video bombed me. Okay. I see you, player.
Good.
He amped up first it was sitting down.
Yeah, he he's sitting on the airbags.
All right, let's close it out. What you want to tell him?
Oh yeah. Man. They're sweet cars. I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with it. With Camaro.
So if you had to do it all over again, would you buy a Camaro? Would you do what you did before, or would you take a pass on buying a Camaro?
There's no doubt I would get a Camaro.
Okay, it's 6BaeGrey, the real deal. We outside. See these cars right all out here. No doubt. But look, hey, comment, like, subscribe, and share. I already told y'all, post notifications white. That ain't right. Post notifications black. It's supposed to be like that. Black bells matter. No cap. Ain't trying to tell y'all. We out of here. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got that real drip. Got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic. What? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip. No cap. Step back. Dropping this heat, no cap. All you guys, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood.
ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell him 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lay. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun.